Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Dr. Mridula V. Amarnath here. So, I have seen some patients where, they come to me saying that, doctor, my eyes is never very clear. It's red. People, in my office, they ask me, why is my eyes always red? Am I sick? Or, did I consume alcohol the previous night? So it's quite disturbing and it's quite bothering me. Or, some of them, their profession demands them, to have crystal clear eyes and a very good, the eyes should be bright. So I've seen a lot of people actually take these eye whitening drops. I'm not sure whether you've heard of it, but one thing that you should remember is these eye whitening drops are fine when you use it for once in a while or for a very short duration. But if you use it for a very, very long time and for long, very frequently, then it certainly has a negative impact on your eyes, and I want to share that with you today. So now these eye whitening drops, they contain certain ingredients which help to constrict the blood vessels. So when the blood vessels constrict, so the eye tends to appear white. Okay, but when you stop these drops, what happens is there is something called as a rebound dilatation. That is, these blood vessels enlarge, they dilate more than how it used to before, and thereby causing more redness. That is, your eyes will tend to look much more red, brick red appearance or bloodshot appearance than how it was previously. So that is one thing that is a common side effect which I have noticed, a rebound redness. Like I said, these drops, they contain a vasoconstrictor agent. Like that, some of them, they also contain a preservative. Now these preservatives are not good for your eyes in the long run. That is, they can disrupt the normal, the tear film secretion in our eyes and disrupt the entire process. So as a result, it's very common that you tend to experience a burning or a pricking sensation or excessive watering from your eyes when the normal tear film, that stability has been completely disrupted. See, many times the redness that you're having could be actually as a symptom of either an allergy or an infection or some underlying disease. Now, when you constantly use these eye whitening drops, what happens is you're kind of masking this disease. So we will not be able to quickly diagnose and do the right treatment. You're just masking it each time you're putting the drops. Better than that is identify what is the reason. Why are you having these kind of redness? There should be some underlying cause. Once that is done, then you can start on the right drops to treat the reason for the redness of your eyes. Some of these drops can also tend to increase the eye pressure. That is, they can lead to a condition called as glaucoma. Now glaucoma, is a very serious disease because it can actually lead to a permanent blindness of your eyes. And also along with that, these drops, some individuals have an allergic reaction to the ingredients, certain ingredients in these drops. So they might have, swelling of their eyes or, increased irritation, itching. So all of this is also seen in patients who tend to use these eye whitening drops, for a very long time. So the take-home message that I want to tell all of you is occasionally, say once in a while, when it is really, really important for you, then yes, you can certainly use these eye whitening drops. But please do not use them on a regular basis because it certainly has a very harmful side effect, which is not good. You're actually damaging your eyes. Better than that is find out why your eyes are red. Maybe there is some underlying reason as to why your eyes are red and do the treatment according to that. Okay, think about it. Thank you.